Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? Well, here you must have know what a main idea of a text. What is the meaning of main idea of a text, the function of main idea of a text, how are its characteristics, what are the types, and even trick and tips for finding the main idea of a text. However, beforehand, let me introduce myself. My name is Patia Eka Ramadhani. You can call me Tia with student ID number 202000X023 in class for A1 Management. Okay, let's get straight to maybe here, guys. Are familiar with the word play main idea? So, I mean idea is a statement that is the basis for the development of a paragraph. But sometimes the main idea is often difficult to find. This is because the main idea is a part that can be put anywhere in a text. The main idea is the core or main point of a discussion. The main idea is usually a sentence in paragraph. In other words, the main idea is sentence on which an explanatory or developer is based in paragraph. Next up, there is main idea function. In general, the function of main idea are follows. Number one, determine the subject matter that is the reading. The subject matter in the paragraph is usually described abstractly the main sentence. Number two, knowing the information that the author want to convey. Number three, make it easier to readers to understand the reading intents in each paragraph. Number four, the conclusion of all the sentence to make up the paragraph. Number five, as a unit form of emotional dogs so as to form a series of sentences that are arranged logically. And the letter main idea function is as the author limitation in developing a paragraph. Then, what are kind of paragraph based on the location of the idea? Okay, after knowing its function, here are the characteristics of main idea of a text. The characteristics of main idea are, number one, in main idea, there is a problem topic. Number two, the main idea can be explanatory or can be spelled out. Next characteristic of the main idea is the main idea can stand alone because it is a completed sentence. Number four, the main idea has a clear meaning or meaning. And the latter, the main idea usually also is a paragraph conclusion. Okay, guys. Well, then the main idea has three types. This is number one, deductive main idea. The main idea of deductive is the idea at the beginning of the sentence or paragraph. Generally, deductive consists on general statements that have a specific explanation, so that when the idea is placed at the beginning of a sentence, that a more specific explanation is in the later sentence. Types number two is inductive main idea. The main idea of inductive is paragraph that put its idea at the end the sentence and the general explanation and the end. In other words, this inductive requires the reader to be interested in reading to the end of the paragraph so that it can expect to intended final conclusion. And the latter, the type's main idea is the main idea of missing. The main idea of missing is combination of two methods of deductive and inductive paragraph, so that the main idea are idealized in the beginning and end of the paragraph. Although the idea or idea of a paragraph is explained which in one paragraph, it does not mean that the explanatory sentence is opposite. This is done to emphasize the main idea at the beginning of the sentence in the paragraph. Okay. If you is not clear about the types of idea, here I have an example of the type of idea. Number one example, the main idea deductive idea. Healthy before, I'm so sorry. Healthy behavior is the main pillar. This is because the component turned out to be very influential on the other two pillars. A person who behaves healthy we certainly keep his environment healthy as well. In addition, with healthy behavior, a person will analyze accepting help can facilitate to maintain his healthy. Okay, the main idea of the paragraph is that healthy behavior is the main pillar. Example number two is example of the main inductive idea. At work, safety and healthy are the most important things. For the reason, employers are asked to pay attention to the safety of their workers. On the other hand, workers must almost priority safety in every activity they do. Improving occupational safety and health is not only important to workers, but also for the community as consumer. Okay, the main idea of the above paragraph is that safety and healthy are important things in the working. And the latter example of the main mixing idea is of often occurs burning forest on plantation land as a bad impact. The bad impact can be landslide if left for a long time. There can be flooding. This can happening due to lack ground water reservoirs. There are many consequences caused by the burning of forests. Therefore, the adverse effect of burning forests need to be watched out for. The main idea of the above paragraph is the adverse effect of forest burning. Okay, guys. What is surprising is that friends have difficult in determining the main idea. Of course, here I have tips and tricks that you can apply in determining the main idea of a text. Okay, number one, you read a look at each sentence in a paragraph. To find the main idea, the first step you need to do is to read and look at every sentence in a paragraph. Tips and trick number two is identification, the idea or noun or subject that dominate this paragraph. When doing two method, also educate carefully so that the result of the identification of noun or subject can be done to be maximum. Number three, determine which one sentence is best suited to be the main sentence. But reading a paragraph, do not to be hasty. In fact, even better if you read it in more than once. The latter tips and trick to determine the main idea is find the main idea in the main sentence. At this step, as it will seem easy, but in fact, is this very difficult to be especially for someone who is not yet accustomed to determining the main idea. Even so, as long as the above steps are carried out carefully, meticulously, and checked several times, then determining the main idea I will be easy. Okay, guys, I think that the material I presented in enough to make you know and understand about the main idea of a text. I think that's all from me. More and less, I'm so sorry. Thanks for attention. See you next time. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.